Hello, UCI Anteaters. The Office of Campus Organizations and Volunteer Programs is excited to be hosting our first Virtual Anteater Involvement Fair. Today, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to navigate the fair platform so that you can find all of the clubs and organizations and departments that you're interested in. So what you see here is the platform. So this is the main landing page for the Anteater Involvement Fair. You see some statistics at the top. You see the map here, which will be interactive and clickable later on. On the left-hand side menu, you can see the list of groups, the list of participants, and an information booth. If you click on the information booth, it pops up a chat window and you're able to ask us any questions that you have on navigating the fair. Then you see under My Interactions, which organizations that you've selected that you're interested in. You'll see a list of organizations that are suggested to you based on the interest you've selected when you created your student profile. And then you'll see this chat box where you can click on it and see any chats that you've had with any club officers or booth representatives. So let's look at the list of groups. So when you go to this page, there are different search options at the top. You can search by zones, by group type, or by category type. This list will show you the entire list of the clubs and departments that are participating at that time. And let's say we're interested in looking at career and professional organizations. So you can filter the list this way, and you'll see the full list of career and professional organizations. You can see the club name, you can see any slogan that they've selected and any officers that are listed within their organization. You can choose to select that you're interested in this group from this page. You can see if they've added any links or photos or videos. You can see how many other participants have visited their booth. You'll see how many have selected that they're interested in this organization, and you can see if they've chatted with anyone. You can also see if they are online or offline, and you can see down here if the group will be having some sort of a live chat room or Zoom info session right here. So let's look at Fusion. You can select on their name and it'll pull up their virtual booth. It'll give you more information about the organization, so it'll show you their description, it'll show you the name of their officers, and it'll show who is available to currently chat with you. Then if you scroll down, if the club has uploaded any videos, they would show up here. And then you can see that if they are hosting a live video conference, so a Zoom room or a Zoom info session, you'll see the link that they've created here, along with the date and the time that they will be on this video conference. If you scroll down further, you can see additional videos that they've uploaded. You can also see different photos they've uploaded and any links to their social media or other websites. If you scroll down further, you'll see that they have different interests that are relevant to the organization. And if you have a similar interest to this organization, they would show up highlighted in a light blue color. If you're interested in talking to this organization, you can publicly chat with them, which is a big group chat where you can see other questions that students have asked, or you can privately chat one-on-one with this organization. And then you can also indicate that you're interested. So the fair will be available September 28th from 12 p.m. to September 30th at 11:59 p.m. That's the time that you'll be able to access this platform. We do have some live session times that we've been promoting, and that's a time that you can come onto this platform and expect to be able to live chat and join in on live info sessions with clubs and organizations. You can always email us at campusorgs@uci.edu with any questions, or be sure to contact us via the information booth during the fair if you have further questions, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for looking at what the fair will be like this year. I hope you learn about a lot of clubs and also find ones that you're interested in joining.